The CEL-FI QUATRA 100M is a scalable, enterprise-grade 5G standalone or non-standalone cellular coverage solution. The single operator system features ultra-fast speeds and low latency, extending the reach of 5G and supporting private 5G networks. Designed for commercial buildings of any size, the QUATRA 100M is ideal for factories, warehouses, hospitals, hotels, office buildings, and other commercial spaces where 5G coverage is needed. The single operator solution is flexible and scalable, able to cover sites up to 1 million square feet or 100,000 square meters. Multiple systems can be installed in parallel to extend 5G for more than one operator. With support for both public off-air signals and private 5G networks, the QUATRA 100M is part of the Nextivity portfolio that allows you to do more with DAS. In addition to support for sensor networks using smart server antennas, 2 built-in Ethernet IoT ports make it easy to enable advanced applications for manufacturing, smart buildings, warehouses, and distribution. The 100M is the first QUATRA to incorporate lossless signal distribution to the coverage units over fiber. This allows for efficient and cost-effective installation designs, even in the most complex environments. Like all Nextivity QUATRAs, the 100M is built with proprietary IntelliBoost technology, providing the best echo cancellation, gain, and coverage footprint in the industry. All Nextivity solutions are unconditionally network safe and are used by over 200 mobile network operators, and driving coverage performance that rivals much more expensive legacy DAS systems. Furthermore, IntelliBoost technology enables complete auto-configuration of all 5G system parameters, such as network synchronization and uplink-downlink patterns. For technical details and supported bands, visit the 100M product page on the Nextivity website. Nextivity, smarter by design. Contact us today, and we'll help you find the right solution for your cellular coverage needs.